Welcome to Bad Gear, the show about world's most hated audio tools. Today we're going to look at the Roland SP-808, the black version. Yes, and this is just a shout out to Bad Gear / AudioPilz for mentioning me in your last video about the SP-808EX. Very nice, very cool.
And even turn it into a Roland A6 video canvas. Don't forget to check out MIDI Maniac's great videos and tutorials about the SP-808.
Hi guys, my name is Roger and in this video I'm going to connect the SP-808 to my Akai MPC-X and I'm going to program the Q-Link knobs to control the internal synthesizer of the SP-808. It's going to be awesome because you can control 8 parameters with the Q-Link knobs to create some great sounds with the SP-808. Yeah, that old one. Still very cool today. Let's take a look. Here we go. Let's take a look at the diagram of the synthesizer of the SP-808. It looks complicated, but it isn't. There are 5 sections, a delay and a chorus flanger. Important to know is that the synthesizer is an effect. The first section is the common section with overall related parameters. Then you will have a low frequency oscillator, then the VCO voltage control oscillator, voltage controlled filter, the voltage controlled amplifier, a delay and a chorus. Then the settings for the controls, which I will show you, and then a location of the effect, where should it be available. Connecting is very easy. You only need a cable from MIDI out to MIDI in, from the MPC-X in this case to the MIDI in of the SP-808. First we will check the MIDI parameters. We press System and we go to MIDI parameters and we check the FX control channel, which is 11. So MIDI channel 11 is for the FX control. First we're going to select the MIDI connector over here. Then we have to choose the MIDI channel, and as you have seen before, we have to select MIDI channel 11 for the SP-808. Now the MIDI program. I have connected the SP-808 to MIDI port, in this case to A880. You know what, I'm going to change the name and I make it SP-808, like this. Great. Now I want to program the Q knobs. So I press Menu, I do Q-Link, Edit, and we see over here all the Q-Links. I will reset these ones like this. Reset, okay. As you can see on the screen, we can select 7, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19, 80 and 81. So first let's put this one on 7, MIDI CC. Parameter 7. Now, next one, 10. Over here, 16, 17, 18, 19, 81, and 82. Great. I will reset these ones. I don't want to see anything on my screen. Reset, reset, reset. Okay, done. Now I go to main, and over here I will save this program. Save current program. File name SP-808. Save, like this. So it's now saved. We will turn on the effects by pressing on off. Now we select the effects by holding Shift and FX Info. With the value dial you can change to A99 Analog Synth. Change yes. So the Analog Synth is now active. Let's give it a try on the keyboard. So let's play with the synthesizer of the SP-808. I will record a bass line from level 42. Yes, that old band from the 80s. And then I will adjust the sound. In COM you can see the normal parameters for the total synthesizer. So let me adjust, for example, the portamento time. Or you can adjust the band range. Let me go to the VCO, the voltage controlled oscillator. Then we see we have two oscillators. Oscillator 1 is a pulse. Let me change this to a triangle or a saw. Let's do the triangle. Oscillator 2 also can be changed, as you can hear. We can change the pitch. We can add some cross modulation, some fine tuning. In the virtual VCF, we can adjust the volume, we can adjust some noise, the ring modulations to the filter, and here we have some filter types: LPF, BPF, high pass filter, color frequency, resonance, and we can adjust also the attack, decay, sustain and release. Super cool. On the virtual VCA, we can also adjust the attack, decay, sustain and release. But let me adjust the following, because we can add a delay and we can add a chorus flanger, but you see they're off, so I press exit, and if I now dial, then you can see it's on and you also hear it. Let's start with a delay. I will enter. There are several options: mono, stereo, no, mono and alternating. And you can choose tempo sync. But here's a trick, because we see over here 120 BPM. But the track is 100 BPM, so I have to go to adjust the tempo map to 100, and now it's in tempo sync. That's cool. Let me also turn on the chorus and the flanger. And I want to have a tempo sync also, but less depth. Very nice. Okay, I will turn this one off. Now very important, we go to the controls, because we want to control the synthesizer with the MPC-X. So I need to adjust the controls. So we have C1, C2, C3, 4, 5, 6, and some parameters. So let me change, for example, the VCO pulse width with control number 1. And let me change this one, the VCF cutoff on 3, the VCF resonance. Then over here, let's say the delay, the feedback, and the delay tempo sync. And what should we add more? You know what? I'm going to change also the VCO. Let me think. Pause width, and then, yeah, okay. Let's do it like this. Okay. Now we're going to take a look at the MPC-X. So I've set the parameters over here. So this should be the volume of the SP-808 synthesizer, the band, and here are the other parameters. And we can record these movements. Let me do it. Very cool to use, in this case, the Q knobs to control your SP-808. New machine, old machine, combined, super cool. Guys, just a simple explanation, nothing more, nothing less. In the future I will dive more into the SP-808, because that unit still rocks. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.
You could butcher an MPC-2000 XL and put its card reader into the SP-808. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Feel free to like, subscribe, become a patron and leave a comment what other kind of gear you would like to see and hear on the show.